I led them with cords of kindness, with the bands of love. And I became to them as one who eases the yoke on their jaws, and I bent down to them and fed them.
Ephesians chapter 1. Shaul, an emissary of Yeshua Messiah, by the desire of Elohim, to the set-apart ones who are in Ephesus, and true to Messiah Yeshua. Favor to you and peace from Elohim our Father, and the Master Yeshua Messiah. Blessed be the Elohim and Father of our Master Yeshua Messiah, who has blessed us with every spiritual blessing in the heavenlies in Messiah, even as he chose us in him before the foundation of the world, that we should be set apart and blameless before him in love, having previously ordained us to adoption as sons through Yeshua Messiah to himself, according to the good pleasure of his desire, to the praise of the esteem of his favor, with which he favored us in the Beloved, in whom we have redemption through his blood, the forgiveness of trespasses, according to the riches of his favor, which he has lavished on us in all wisdom and insight, having made known to us the secret of his desire, according to his good pleasure which he purposed in him, to administer at the completion of time, to gather together in one all in Messiah, both which are in the heavens and which are on the earth in him, in whom also we did obtain an inheritance, being previously ordained according to the purpose of him, working all matters according to the counsel of his desire, for us to be the praise of his esteem, those having first trusted in Messiah, in whom you also, having heard the word of truth, the good news of your deliverance, in whom also, having believed, you were sealed with the set-apart spirit of promise, who is the pledge of our inheritance, until the redemption of the purchased possession, to the praise of his esteem. For this reason I too, having heard of your belief in the Master Yeshua, and your love for all the set-apart ones, do not cease giving thanks for you, making mention of you in my prayers, that the Elohim of our Master Yeshua Messiah, the Father of esteem, would give you a spirit of wisdom and revelation in the knowledge of him, the eyes of your understanding being enlightened, so that you know what is the expectation of his calling, and what are the riches of the esteem of his inheritance in the set-apart ones, and what is the exceeding greatness of his power toward us who are believing, according to the working of his mighty strength, which he wrought in the Messiah, when he raised him from the dead, and seated him at his right hand in the heavenlies, far above all rule and authority, and power and mastery, and every name that is named, not only in this age, but also in that which is to come. And he put all under his feet, and gave him to be head over all, to the assembly, which is his body, the completeness of him who fills all in all.